Sonny, what's up, man? All day?
What do you mean all day? You come and do it. You come and do it and you'll see it all day.
I got a happy customer here, finished product. That's what's up.
Wonderful job.
I'm glad. All right, see? Nice. AudioMotorsports, baby. We'll make it happen. All right, brother. Thank you so much,
All right, man. I appreciate it, man. They did a wonderful job. The guys are like really cool, very patient, man. I appreciate that, man.
Thank you so much, man.
Come
God
check
bless
them
you.
out.
Happy New Year, brother.
Happy New Year to you too, man.
Take care.